Do you want to make client reporting integrated to your communications and task management? Let's explore this idea with Databox and Ahsuite. Databox is a mobile-first executive dashboard for monitoring and analyzing business performance. You can connect to third-party apps like HubSpot, Google Analytics, and more to create custom dashboards. Prepare the dashboard that you want to embed into the client portal. Click on the Share button, select the Embed tab, and copy the embed code. Tick the Responsive button for interactive dashboards. Go to your Ahsuite client portal and create a new view. Paste the code into the URL bar and preview your portal. The dashboard is now available for view. Generate your portal link to check the dashboard embed. Your client can now view your reports along with messages, tasks, approvals, and knowledge base files.
Ahsuite!